Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best scissor jacks for cars that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're preparing for an emergency or just want a reliable tire changing solution, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Portable Car Jack Kit by IMAYCC. This compact yet powerful scissor jack boasts a 2-ton lifting capacity, making it suitable for most medium and light vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and MPVs. With an adjustable height range of 4.33 inches to 15.75 inches, it offers flexibility for a variety of vehicle maintenance tasks. The inclusion of a labor-saving ratchet wrench and dual-side lifting technology makes operation faster and less strenuous, creating a user-friendly experience. The kit also comes with a lug wrench, gloves, and a storage bag, ensuring you're fully equipped for emergencies. In terms of design, the IMAYCC jack is crafted from high-strength carbon steel, ensuring durability and structural integrity. Its reinforced base plate adds stability during lifting, while the compact size makes it easy to store in your trunk or garage. The two-way lifting mechanism is a standout feature, allowing simultaneous movement on both sides for faster elevation compared to traditional single-side jacks. While the IMAYCC jack offers great value with its robust construction and included accessories, it isn't without drawbacks. The jack's maximum lifting capacity, 2 tons, may not be sufficient for heavier vehicles, and its performance under extreme weather conditions is less proven compared to some competitors. Overall, this is an excellent choice for light to medium vehicle owners seeking an affordable, all-inclusive kit. Pros: compact size, dual-side lifting mechanism, and included accessories. Cons: limited capacity for heavier vehicles and less durable under harsh conditions. At rank number 4, we have the Roadside Scissor Car Jack with a robust 3-ton lifting capacity, making it ideal for larger vehicles like SUVs and MPVs. This jack features a lifting range of 4.33 inches to 15.75 inches, providing versatility for both low-profile and high-clearance vehicles. The kit includes a ratchet wrench, lug wrench, and additional tools like gloves and a tire pressure gauge, making it a complete package for emergency roadside repairs. The build quality is impressive, with high-strength cold-rolled steel construction that ensures durability and stability. The corrosion-resistant finish enhances its longevity, making it suitable for various weather conditions. The enlarged base provides a stable foundation during lifting, which is crucial for added safety. The jack's simple operation, combined with the ergonomic design of the included tools, ensures a smooth and efficient tire-changing process. However, at 8.61 pounds, this jack is on the heavier side, which may make transporting it slightly inconvenient. Additionally, while the lifting capacity is substantial, some users have reported that the crank mechanism could be smoother. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Roadside Scissor Car Jack is a solid choice for those needing a reliable and heavy-duty option. Pros: high lifting capacity, durable construction, and comprehensive kit. Cons: heavier weight and slightly stiff crank mechanism. Coming in at number 3, the IMAYCC Car Jack is a versatile option with a 2.5-ton lifting capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs. The lifting range of 5.1 inches to 16.79 inches ensures it can handle both low and high-clearance vehicles with ease. The kit includes a lug wrench, gloves, and 2 rubber pads to prevent scratches to your vehicle's frame during lifting, which adds an extra layer of protection. The IMAYCC jack stands out for its sturdy, cold-rolled steel construction and enlarged base for enhanced stability. At just 6 pounds, it's lightweight yet durable, making it a portable option for emergencies. The non-slip rubber pads and ergonomic tools make operation seamless, even for beginners. Additionally, its compact design means it won't take up much space in your trunk. While the IMAYCC jack is packed with features, its 2.5-ton capacity may not be sufficient for larger vehicles, like heavy-duty trucks. Additionally, the crank handle can be a bit short for some users, making it slightly less ergonomic for extended use. However, with its excellent construction, user-friendly design, and thoughtful accessories, it's an excellent choice for everyday drivers. Pros: lightweight rubber pads for vehicle protection and user-friendly design. Cons: limited capacity for larger vehicles and shorter crank handle. At number 2, we have the Gurdanone Car Jack Kit with a 2-ton lifting capacity. This jack is designed for light and medium vehicles, offering a lifting range of 4.33 inches to 15.75 inches. What makes this kit stand out is its all-inclusive nature, featuring a ratchet wrench, lug wrench, gloves, and a storage bag. The compact design ensures it fits easily in your trunk, making it a reliable companion for roadside emergencies. The jack is made from corrosion-resistant materials, which enhance its durability and make it suitable for use in various weather conditions. Its wide base provides added stability, while the user-friendly operation makes it accessible even for those new to car maintenance. The kit also includes a tire pressure gauge, which is a convenient addition for tire maintenance. On the downside, while the Gurdanone jack is a solid option for smaller vehicles, its 2-ton capacity limits its usability for larger SUVs and trucks. Additionally, some users have noted that the included ratchet wrench feels slightly flimsy under heavy use. Nevertheless, its affordability and comprehensive kit make it a fantastic choice for most drivers. Pros: complete kit, corrosion-resistant materials, and compact design. Cons: lower capacity for larger vehicles and slightly less durable wrench. Finally, at number 1, we have the Big Red T10152 Torin Steel Scissor Lift Jack. With a 1.5-ton capacity, this jack is a rugged and reliable option for smaller vehicles. Its lifting range of 4.1 inches to 15.1 inches offers versatility for various car models. This jack is engineered with drop-forged alloyed steel, providing exceptional strength and durability. The extra-wide base enhances stability, ensuring safety during use. What sets the Big Red Jack apart is its compact and collapsible design, making it easy to store in your trunk. The one-piece handle allows for quick and straightforward operation, while the universal fit ensures compatibility with most vehicles. At just 7.7 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, striking an excellent balance between portability and reliability. While it's a fantastic option for compact and mid-sized vehicles, its 1.5-ton capacity may not be sufficient for larger cars or SUVs. Additionally, the basic design lacks some of the extra tools included in other kits. However, for its price and durable construction, the Big Red T10152 is a highly recommended option for everyday drivers. Pros: durable steel construction, compact design, and excellent stability. Cons: limited capacity for larger vehicles and fewer included accessories. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy driving and stay safe.